Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be creating a nice and, as always, easy eye makeup look, and to complete it I will be using exclusively these nice and beautiful fake lashes by Lucy. It's in collaboration with Adele's makeup. I've received them a few days back as an PR package, and I'm really happy for that. I will be linking everything down below. They will be out on April 20th, so stay tuned. But until then, you can look on their website and see the amazing lashes that they have. Also, all the lashes as well, these ones of course are handmade, 100% vegan and cruelty free, which is really amazing. So I would say now we start with creating the look, and I will prime my face first, and for that I will be using this primer by Benefit, and I will be using just a small amount here on my forehead, around my nose and on my cheeks, as well here on my chin, and just blend that into the skin with my hands. I will also prime my under eye area just using an eye cream, and I use this one by Estee Lauder. This will help my eye area to become smooth, and also will help my concealer to apply better and stay then also throughout the day. And because we are priming everything, I will also prime my lips and use this lip balm by EOS. And now I'll jump into foundation, and I'll use this one by Charlotte Tilbury in the number 1, and I'll apply it firstly with my finger all over my face, and then with a brush I'll just blend that into the skin, and I'm using this brush by Real Techniques. Now to conceal my under eye area, I'll use my favorite combo, and this one is using a combination from this yellow concealer by BH Cosmetics and the normal concealer by Fenty Beauty, and this will help to highlight my under eye area and really hydrate everything. And then on top of that, concealer. And using a damp beauty blender, I'll just blend that really nicely into the skin. Also some concealer I will be using here on my forehead, down my nose, here on my chin, and just a bit around my mouth. And again with beauty blender I'll just blend everything in. Now for my brows, I'll just brush them with a spoolie up like that, nothing dramatic here. And then I'll take this brow pencil. This one is by The Body Shop. I'll give them some color and fill in the gaps that I have. And what I like about this pencil is that here you have this I don't know, mechanical pencil, I don't know how it's called, and then here at the other end you have the brow gel, as you can see, and then you can use as well the powder if you want. So you have like 3 things in just one pencil product, whatever you want to call it, which I found to be quite amazing, because you know, if you want to fix your brows on the move or anything like that, you just have that in your makeup bag. You don't have to have a pencil brow gel extra, you know, you just have that and you're good to go. So I always like to start using the pencil and then at the end use the brow gel, and then just go again with a spoolie to take any excess from the product. And now I'll move on to the brow gel, and I like to start here on the middle of my brow, down the arch to the tail. And then what's left on the brush, I just comb my brows here at the beginning. And now, as I said, I'll just take again the spoolie and I brush my brows. This way the product will go just into the brows and everything will stay in place. And I also like, you know, to have my brows a bit messy, but you know, if you don't like them, you don't have to hate them. Okay, it's just the way I like to wear my brows. So yeah, so now for the next step I'll just use some bronzer, and for that I'll use this by L'Oreal, and I'll take a really fluffy brush, this one by Jeffree Star, and it's in the number JS2, and I like to, you know, like do that and then go over my face. Now I'll just contour my nose just a tiny bit, and I'll take the darker shade from this L'Oreal palette with a really small brush. This one is by Real Techniques. It's called shading brush, but I'll use it to contour my nose. So now I'll go with a highlighter, and this one is by Maybelline. It's a crazy highlighter. Let me just swatch that and have a look at that. I mean, how crazy is that? It's just crazy. So I'll take a small fluffy brush, this one also by Jeffree Star. So now, because I do have the feeling this highlighter it's a bit too much, I'll take a brush and just kind of clean that. I think I went a bit too much with the highlighter, but you know, sometimes you can just not have enough. So now I think it looks a bit better. Now moving on to the eyes, I will start off by using the Too Faced palette, the chocolate gold, and I'll take first the fluffy brush, this one by Zoeva, it's in the number 228, and I'll take the shade here, the So Bougie. This is going to be like my transition color, and I'll apply it all over my eyelid and on my crease. Now for the next shade, I will be taking from the NYX palette this beautiful pink shade, again with a fluffy brush, this one by BH Cosmetics, the number 6. I'll apply it on my crease, and I will try and blend that really well. And I'm using, as you can see, these back and forth motions. I don't want to be like a really harsh pink. I just want to give, you know, like a nice tone to it, but nothing too dramatic. So this is why I'm keeping it also everything on the lower part, and I'm not going up to the brow as I usually do. But if you want to create a more dramatic eye, then you can apply more shadow, and always don't forget to blend, and maybe go even higher with it. Now the next shade that I want to use, it's something like that. It's kind of a pink purple shade, and I will apply it on the top of this pink shade that I've used. And again, I am blending that. Now all over my eyelid, I'll take this shade from here, and I'll use a normal flat brush. Now on the outer part of my eyelid, I'll apply this dark purple shade just to give some depth. And as you can see, I'm bringing it into the crease, and don't forget to blend. Now taking a flat brush, I'll spray some Fix Plus by MAC, and from the Too Faced palette I'll take this shimmery pink, and I'll apply it all over my eyelid. Now taking again this pink shade, I'll apply it here on my lower lash line. And again from the Too Faced palette, I'll take the pink and apply it as well on my lower lash line to make everything really sparkly and beautiful and glittery and, you know, unicorns and rainbows and all that jazz. Now I wasn't sure if I want to make a wing or not. If I leave it like that, it's going to be like, you know, a nice, I don't know, pink eye makeup, but maybe with a wing it will look maybe a bit more glamorous. I don't know. I'm trying now to imagine it with a wing. Let's try. Let's do a wing and whatever comes out. I have no idea. So for that I will be using this gel eyeliner by Maybelline, and what I like about this product is that it comes with a brush, and it's really nice to apply. And I'll just take that here on this brush, and I'll do my wing, and I will be ready to fly or not. So let's try that. For my lips, I'll just go in with my all-time favorite lipstick by Tilbury, and this one is in the shade Pillow Talk. So I'll just curl my lashes, and I will have the honor to use these amazing lashes by Lucy As I said, they will be released on April 20th. They are amazing. Just look at them. They are so soft. They are handmade, 100% vegan and cruelty free. I will be linking everything down below. They have a big variety on fake lashes. You should just go and check them. So I'll just use some glue. Well, lash glue, not just the glue. So I'm not crazy, but you know. So I'll apply that here and let that dry maybe for 30 seconds. Now look at that. They are so fluffy. They are perfect. Wow, crazy lashes. And I'll take some mascara. I'll use this one by Maybelline and I'll apply on my upper lashes as well on my lower ones. So this is the final result about the lashes. I have to say that I love them. They are perfect. They're easy to apply. Also, I didn't have to cut them to match my eye size. They applied really nicely. I can totally recommend them. These lashes by Lucy in collaboration with Adele's makeup. They will be released now on April 20th. Make sure to check them out. I will be linking everything down below. But until then, you can check the other lashes that they have. I was able to try those out because they were sent to me as a PR package, and I'm really happy for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.